Guys, apply tayo ng card, membership card sa Landers. Punta lang tayo dito sa landers.ph. Join Landers, be a member. Ito tayo sa premium. Oh, may 700 siya membership. Pero may voucher tayo kaya libre to. Tingnan natin. Ang voucher niya guys from PayMaya or Maya. So select membership, cashback everywhere. Premium membership with application to Landers, cashback everywhere, credit card. Sabi dito, take your membership to the next level with Landers, cashback everywhere, credit card by Maya. Ito yung credit card. Enjoy up to 5% cashback at Landers, 2% for dining and 1% everywhere else. Ito, a Landers membership card and Maya credit card in one. Extension for claim your Landers membership card. Please present one of the other membership. Okay, may Landers kasi malapit. Premium. Tingnan natin kung ano yung niya. As a reward of your continuous Maya, using Maya, you're entitled to free Landers members and no annual free for Landers cashback everywhere credit card. So dalawa, claim your voucher copy it from Maya and use it when you check out online, completing application for premium membership with Landers cashback everywhere credit card within the Landers website. Go to choose premium with LCECC. Natin. Saan ba dito? Ito premium lang. So ito premium with LCECC. Ayan. So apply now. So for the application must download the Maya app and create an account to get updates about their eligibility for the credit card. Please ensure that your name and mobile number is under Landers membership are the same with your Maya account details. So check natin. Sounds like for version by Maya Bank. Okay, so apply now. Sabi niya, after submitting application, please download the Maya app and create. Meron na tayong Maya app eh. Natin yung info.